The Great Pyramid was the tallest building on Earth for almost 4,000 years, and it's aligned to true north within a fraction of a degree. That's like building a 40-story stone mountain with Stone Age tools and hitting GPS-level precision. So how did people pull this off? First, forget the movie myth. This wasn't a chain gang of slaves. It was a national project, tens of thousands of skilled workers, farmers rotating in during the Nile flood season, organized like a startup with insane ops. They had crews, sub-crews, even team names graffitied inside. Friends of Khufu. That's basically ancient hard hats and team pride. Step 1. The site. Digging trenches, filling them with water to find perfect level. Shaving the high spots. Old school laser level. Watched circumpolar stars. Used shadow tricks with a gnomon to lock in the cardinal directions. Nail north. Lock the square. And you've got a cosmic blueprint. Now, the stones. Nearby limestone quarries. Hammered loose with dolerite pounders. Split along natural seams. Casing stones ferried from Tura across the river. Granite hauled from Aswan, 500 miles upstream on barges. How do you move 2 million blocks? Sledges. Big wooden sleds under each block. Ropes tied to teams. They wet the sand in front to reduce friction. There's literally a painting of workers pouring water. Science tested it. It works. That's a drag cut almost in half. Ramps are the hot debate. Straight-on ramps would be massive. Zigzagging ramps hug the pyramid. Internal ramps might snake up inside. The answer could be all of the above, switching styles as the pyramid grows. At every stage, build a course, extend the ramp, repeat, and near the top, levers and cribbing. Lift, wedge, like jacking up a car but with stones the size of cars. Inside is where the flex goes nuclear. The king's chamber uses gigantic granite beams, then 5 stacked relieving chambers to spread the load so the ceiling doesn't explode under millions of pounds. Those cross-hatched stress managers are ancient structural engineering, no software required. The supply chain was relentless. Bread, beer, onions, protein.